Bees are fascinating creatures that play a crucial role in our ecosystem, primarily through their work as pollinators. However, one of the most curious aspects of their behaviour is the fact that certain bees die after they sting. Understanding why this occurs, along with the reasons behind their stinging behaviour, provides insight into the complex lives of these insects. When a bee stings, it uses its barbed stinger to inject venom into its target. This is primarily a defensive action, as bees usually sting in response to perceived threats to themselves or their hive. The stinger is connected to a venom sac inside the bee's abdomen, which pumps venom through the stinger and into the victim. In the case of honeybees, their stingers are barbed, meaning they become lodged in the skin of their target. As the bee tries to fly away, the stinger remains embedded, and unfortunately, this results in the bee's abdominal tissues being torn apart, leading to its death shortly afterward. The evolutionary reason for this seemingly self-destructive mechanism is rooted in the survival of the colony. Honeybees are social insects living in large colonies where the survival of the group takes precedence over the individual. When a honeybee stings, it releases alarm pheromones that signal other bees to attack, thus enhancing the defense of the hive. The sacrifice of one bee can therefore protect thousands, ensuring the continuation of the colony's genetic lineage. Interestingly, not all bees die after stinging. This phenomenon is specific to honeybees. Other bee species like bumblebees and solitary bees have smoother stingers that can be withdrawn from the skin without causing fatal damage to the bee. This allows them to sting multiple times if necessary. The difference in stinger structure is an adaptation to their respective lifestyles and ecological roles. There are several factors that can provoke a bee to sting. These include direct threats to the hive, such as predators or intruders, as well as accidental disturbances caused by humans. Bees are particularly sensitive to sudden movements, strong odours and dark colours, which can trigger their defensive instincts. Additionally, bees may sting when they feel trapped or threatened, such as when they become entangled in hair or clothing. Beyond their defensive behaviour, bees are remarkable for their social structures and communication methods. Honeybees, for example, perform intricate dances to convey information about the location of food sources to their hive mates. This waggle dance encodes direction and distance, showcasing a level of communication complexity that is rare among insects. Another interesting aspect of bee biology is their role in pollination. Bees are attracted to flowers by their bright colours and sweet scents. As they collect nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, facilitating plant reproduction. This process is vital for the production of many fruits, vegetables, and nuts, making bees indispensable to agriculture and biodiversity. One lesser-known fact about bees is their ability to recognise human faces. Research has shown that bees can be trained to associate specific human faces with rewards, demonstrating a surprising level of cognitive ability. This skill likely evolved to help them recognise flowers, but it also highlights their capacity for learning and memory. Moreover, bees are equipped with a unique navigation system that allows them to travel long distances and return to their hive with remarkable accuracy. They use a combination of visual landmarks, the position of the sun, and polarized light patterns to orient themselves. This navigation prowess is crucial for their foraging efficiency and the overall success of the colony. In summary, the death of honeybees after stinging is a result of their barbed stingers and the evolutionary pressures that prioritize colony survival over individual longevity. While stinging is a defensive behavior, it is also part of a broader suite of adaptations that enable bees to thrive in their ecological niches. Their roles as pollinators, communicators, and navigators underscore the importance of bees in maintaining the balance of natural and agricultural ecosystems. Understanding these aspects of bee biology not only deepens our appreciation for these insects, but also highlights the need to protect them from threats such as habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. Please do subscribe for more cool content. Okay, love you, bye!